In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all tweets from Twitter X at once. Maybe you're rebranding your account, starting fresh, or you just don't want your old posts hanging around anymore. Whatever your reason, there are two main approaches you can take: using a paid tool that clears everything in bulk, or doing it manually for free inside X itself. I'll walk you through both step by step so you can decide what works best for you. First, let's look at the external tool option. Open your browser and go to the website called Tweet Delete. This is a third-party service designed specifically to remove posts from X. When you land on the home page, you'll see an option to sign in with your X account. Click on signinwithx.com. You'll be redirected to an official X authorization page. Here, X is basically asking if you're okay with Tweet Delete accessing your account so it can manage your posts. Take a moment to read what permissions you're giving. If you're comfortable with that, click on Authorize App to continue. Once you're back on the Tweet Delete side, you'll see that in order to delete all of your tweets at once, you need to select a paid plan. The premium option is what unlocks true bulk deletion, which can be a huge time saver if you've tweeted a lot over the years. Choose a plan that suits you, follow the on-screen instructions to confirm payment, and then use their controls to select how far back you want to delete and start the process. Depending on how many posts you have, it may take a little time for everything to clear. If you don't want to pay, you can still delete your posts manually inside X. It'll just take longer. Head to X in your browser and make sure you're logged into the correct account. On the left-hand side, click on Profile. This will open your public profile page. At the top, select the Posts tab. This is where all of your tweets or posts are listed in reverse chronological order. To remove one, find a post you want to delete and look for the three dots menu next to it. Click on those three dots to open more options. From that menu, choose Delete. X will usually ask you to confirm just to make sure you didn't click it by accident. Confirm the deletion and that post will disappear from your timeline. To fully clear your account using the free method, you'll need to repeat this for every post that appears in your Posts tab. It's more time consuming, but it lets you review each tweet before you remove it. And that's it. You can either pay to delete everything in one go using Tweet Delete, or take your time and remove each post manually inside X.